Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Bluetooth connection problems. First method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Turn on Bluetooth. Second method is make sure your Bluetooth device is turned on. Turn off your Bluetooth device, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Make sure your Bluetooth device is in range. Make sure it's not too close to any other USB device that's plugged into a USB 3.0 port. Third method is turn off airplane mode. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices, turn off Bluetooth then turn on Bluetooth. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices, click Devices. Select Devices, click 3 dots, click Remove Device, click Yes. Click Add Device, click Bluetooth. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.